You ready, Smokin' Mike? You're navigating this dock a little bit better than the last time. You don't remember getting off with all your equipment? You had me in hysterics. I figure we drop these traps pretty soon. Nice morning here off of Crystal River, that's for sure. Yeah. Right. Seems nice and smooth in here. Hopefully have another successful day on the painkiller, buddy. Thank you. What kind of mustard is it? Yeah. That's no good. I brought my own. I do love my mustard. Alright, so we got one at those 3 palm trees. We're just passing the marker. We can pick up speed up here, but I want to drop these crab traps right around here. Well, why not? I got a bunch of crabs in here over the summer. Yes. That's why we're seeing a bunch of markers already. Thinking maybe put one here. I'm gonna keep it on speed here, but not much. I'm gonna make a turn here, and you can throw it when I turn. Anywhere. Go ahead. Good job, Mike. Alright, so crab trap number 2. Directly opposite the shallow water marker. Right at the entrance to Coon Gap. Just gonna have to remember this. Give it a shot. Or do we want to go for reds right away, man? That's the thing, you know? Right now, at this point, reds along that mangrove line. You never know. That's right. Hooked onto that gigantic trout right there. That was a full vanishing of my cork. Like there. There he is. Looks like a ladyfish, buddy. Yeah. Definitely a ladyfish. You can tell by the attitude. Oh yeah. Good redfish bait, but I'm not going to use it. Yep. Nice. You got him on there, buddy? I'm getting action too. That's a trout. No, ladyfish. Wow, jeez. Oh. Ooh. I don't know, man, but he's fighting. Did not like. Oh. He got off. And I got a massive bird's nest. No, it was a snook. It was a snook. Oh my god, he pulled it right off. Oh my god. Oh, you know what he did? Just like what I said. Trophy fish. He's stealing my hook. Oh my god, I'm gonna go kill myself now. That was a monster. Go get. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, buddy. Nice. Nice. Good job, dude. Nice. That's a nice fish. Holy shit. Look at that redfish. Look at that fish. Oh, shit. Nice, dude. Look at that. He's 21 all day. I mean, 20, 21. Nice fish, dude. Measure him up. Good fish. You put him on there, or you got him? He inhaled that shrimp, huh? We should work this whole line on the other side. Because this has got some nice little inlets on the other side. 20. Nice. Good fish. Great fish, dude.
Bam! You got it recorded?
Oh yeah.
There you go. Nice,
Awesome.
nice 20-inch redfish to start the day out here at Ozello Backwaters.
Smokin' Mike with the first keeper red of the day.
That was smooth.
Just caught my first red of the day. He's a small little guy. But check out the spots on this. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots on each side. Highly unusual. We were in a contest that might have won the most spots. Yeah. That's a cool red. I don't know if he's a keeper, but he's fighting me pretty good. Nope. Yep. Yep. Yeah, he wanted that shrimp. Measure him, see how much shorter he is. He's only He's about 3 inches shy of 15. Would have been a keeper trout. He had some good. Okay. Not sure what he is, but he's giving me some. No, it's for a second it was. He's off now. Nah, just a bunch of seaweed around a fish. It's a flounder. Yeah. Nice flounder. Yeah.
How do you catch these flounders?
I'm not trying to.
My buddy wants me to go king flounder up in
Yeah. Check that out. Yeah, I'm gonna keep. He's big enough. I think they have to be 12. Yeah, I'll get some fried flounder fillets. Got a manatee in sight.